Hello guys, welcome to Bhavna's Online Academy. So as you would have read the title in this video, I'm going to do the paper analysis of your accounts paper. And also, as you all know, I have given you an exemption plan for accounts already for this November 2020 attempt. So we are going to see whether my exemption plan did work out or not. Okay. So here is the exemption plan that I had given you for November 2020, and this is the question paper that has come for November 2020. Okay, so I'm just going to compare and see whether the marks that I said it would come for had come for or not. Okay, so first I told you in the exemption video to start with your AS, which would come for around 20 to 25 marks. I told you that in the question number 1, 4 questions would come from AS. The same way 20 marks had come for AS in question number 1, and also I told you a 5-mark question will come from question number 6, right? So yes, the question number question number 6D was a accounting standard related question, so it had also come for 5 marks. So totally, like I said, 25 marks had been asked from your accounting standards. After accounting standards, I told you that you have to read your investment, insurance and hire purchase, which would come for 20 to 25 marks again. So your question number 3 came for 3A was investment and 3B was insurance, and hire purchase was asked in 5A. So this 3A came for 10 marks, 3B came for 10 marks, and again 5A came for 8 marks. So I told you that it would come from around 20 to 25 marks in your exam. So the same way for 28 marks. For 28 marks it had come in the exam. So just like I said, for the same amount of marks it had come in the exam. I had told you in the video, to read these both parts and go itself, you will be able to score 40 to 50 marks in your exam. Yes, because the lower marks was 40 and the higher marks was 50. So the same way I said, it had come for actually 45 and more than 50 marks in your exam. Around for 53 marks it had come for your in your exam, right? So then I had told you to start with the fourth part, which would come for 30 to 35 marks in your exam. So first, preparation of financial statements I had told you. So preparation of financial statements was not asked in the exam. I told you to see managerial remuneration. Managerial remuneration was asked for 5 marks in the exam. Then bonus and right was again not asked in the exam. Then I told you to see redemption of preference shares. So redemption of preference shares came for 12 marks in the exam. And then I told you redemption of debentures. Redemption of debentures had come for 10 marks in the exam. Same way I had also told you that preparation of financial statements and managerial remuneration chapter would include CFS. CFS means your cash flow statements. So the same way cash flow statement had also come for 10 marks in the exam. So I had told you that it would come for 30 to 35 marks. The same way it had come for 10 plus 10, 20 marks here. Here 12 marks and here 5 marks. So totally it had come for 37 marks in your exam. So same way as I said 30 to 35, 37 marks had come from here. I told you that even if you don't read those, you'll be able to score exemption. The same way, if you had read these chapters in the order that I told you and gave the importance to it as I told you, you would be able to score 53 plus 37 marks here. That means 90 marks in your paper. 90 marks in your paper you would have been able to attempt very well even without reading the bigger chapters. Yes. So yes guys. So this is a clear indication that my exemption plan did really work out in the exam. So I had also released the exemption plan for all other subjects. If you have still not watched it, please do watch it and take help from it. Definitely it is going to help in exam. Yes. Thank you so much guys.